Trying to get myself right. Y'all know I've been eating cake every day. It's my birthday though. What'd you say?
6 a.m.
It's 5:50 still. It's like in the 5 range. Anyway, he said it's 6, but it ain't 6. It's probably 6 when we get there. You trying to tell me, tell my people? Anyway. It feels amazing out here. It's not hot yet. Let you know how I feel after I'm done though. It's gonna be a rough one. Hey guys, I'm about 2.5 miles in and I'm catching a cramp. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Do I keep running? I think I gotta keep running, y'all. Alright. Okay, we're coming to the end. Here's the 3-mile marker. I think I had it on there. We made it. I made it. Alright. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. I am starting the day off with having my drink. And as I said, I am getting myself together because this is my birthday month. So I just wanted to come in and let you know that I feel really, really great after fasting for 2 days. And then eating for 2 days. This is day number 2 that I'm going to eat. And then I'll fast all day tomorrow and then I'll eat on my birthday again. So anyway, I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know how things are going. All right, take care. Why do you need a sippy cup, boo?
This one right here.
You can drink the drink.
I can. Oh, I can. Go. Stop. Don't do
Stop
that.
complaining. Just drink it.
Don't do that.
Okay. Okay. What? Where you going? It's not that bad. Oh.
That's bad. No, you're right.
Your eyes are watering?
It's horrible. No. Yes.
Hey guys, I am on day 2 of my fast. Yeah. So hey guys. So I am on day 2 of my fast. I'm about to break my fast at first watch. And I just wanted to tell you guys, I just kind of wanted to come on and give you guys an idea of how I feel and how my body is feeling. And I feel that taking a break from food for a couple days, because the last meal I had was Sunday at 1 o'clock. And today is Tuesday morning, and probably will eat in a couple of hours. It is somewhere, right now it is 8 o'clock. And yeah, so I just wanted to tell you, I feel really good, guys. I don't feel hungry. I am about to drink my drink and go on and enjoy some breakfast with a friend of mine who is having a birthday. And don't come for me. We're gonna have our mask on. Anyway, so I feel really good. I had my husband feel like my joints and whatever, just to see if they were really achy like they were, and they're not. So I'm really feeling good about that. So I'll eat today. I haven't decided if I'm gonna eat tomorrow because, I have to eat tomorrow. So maybe I won't eat Thursday because I'm gonna eat crazy on Friday and Saturday. So anyway, I'm gonna just vlog this for you guys, just so you guys can, see how it goes for me. Also, I got on the scale. I was down about 2.5 pounds, but probably just water, but I was down, which is good because I've been eating cake. And I'm gonna show you guys what I had at first watch once I get there. Okay, bye guys. Have a good day.